So in this class we are going to start our new topic, that is operations on rational number. Okay, this is the topic we will be discussing in this class, operations on rational numbers. Okay, so what kind of operation we can do on rational numbers? हम क्या क्या देखो, this is not about that operation कि तुम लोग वो जो साइंस वाला होता है ना कि सर इसके लिए हाथ पैर जोड़ना, नहीं. Operations in mathematics is basically plus, minus, multiply, divide, this kind of things. Okay, so if we are doing operation on rational number, that means can we do addition on rational number? First thing we will be talking about is addition. Okay, so how we can do addition of rational numbers? कैसे कर सकते हैं हम addition rational numbers पे? So for that you can take any two rational numbers. Suppose first I am taking with same denominator.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so with same denominator, if I am taking two rational numbers, then suppose I am taking 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Okay, and I have to add both the rational number. And now you know the same thing we have done in fractions also. Fraction में भी किया था. If denominator is same, then you will write and then 3 plus 2 5. It will be 5 by 4. Directly you can do. See, if there is no problem when the denominator is same, जब denominator same होता है ना तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में. हम डायरेक्टली क्या करते हैं, सेम डेनोमिनेटर लिख देते हैं एंड न्यूमरेटर को हम ऐड कर देते हैं. दिस इज द थिंग वी डू विद सेम डेनोमिनेटर. बट इफ द डेनोमिनेटर इज डिफरेंट देन थिंग्स गो डिफरेंटली. अगर डिफरेंट डेनोमिनेटर होता है ना तब थोड़ा अलग हो जाते हैं. हाउ इट विल बिकम डिफरेंट? सी, सपोज आई एम हैविंग 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 or 2 by something you can take. Now in this case, now we are having denominators different. Okay, so both the denominators are different. So then what we can do, we have to take the LCM. Suppose I am taking 5 and 7. So 5 1 ja 5, then 7 will remain same. 7 1 ja, so 5 into 7, 35. This is the LCM of two numbers 5 and 7. It is 35. Now if 35 we are having and then I will take here 35 in the denominator. Now this 5, in this 5 table of this 5, when 35 will came at 7, 5 7 ja 35 होता है ना. So I will multiply this 7 with 3. 7 3 ja 21 plus 7 के टेबल में 35 कब आता है? 7 के टेबल में 7 5 जा 35. So 5 2 ja 10. So that means 21 plus 10. It will be 31 by 35. Okay. So this is the thing, means if you are doing direct without when you are having different denominator. For different denominator you can add by taking LCM. Suppose I am taking one more example. 3 by 8 plus 5 by 24. Okay, suppose this is, or 5 by 20. You can take any number. चलो 24 ही ले लेते हैं. 3 by 8 and 5 by 24. Now again we are having different denominator na, different denominator. So we will be taking LCM. That means 8 and 24. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, then 3 1 ja. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. So how much LCM we are having? 24. So I will take 24. Now 8 के टेबल में 24 कितने पे आता है? 8 3 जा 24. So I will multiply this 3 with this 3. 3 3 जा 9 plus 24 के टेबल में 24 कब आता है? 24 1 जा 24. So I will multiply this 1 with 5. Okay, 24 1 जा होता है ना. So 5 into 1 5. So 9 plus 5 I am getting 14 by 24. So this is our answer, but we can cancel it. अगर cancel होता है तो cancel करेंगे. 2 7 ja, then 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So it will be 7 by 12. This will be our answer. So there is a question for you. I'll delete all these things. If you are given with 7 by 10 plus 12 by 25. Now, you have to add these both 7 by 10 plus 12 by 25 and write your answer in chat box. Okay, so when you are going to find the solution, you will take LCM. So LCM of 10 and 25. So LCM of 10 and 25. 2 5 ja 10, 25 will remain same. Then 5 1 ja 5 and then 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 1 will remain. So 2 5 ja 10, 5 ja 50. So we are getting LCM as 50. So this is our LCM. We will take in the denominator. Now 10 के टेबल में 50 कितने पे आता है? 5. 10 5 ja 50. So I will multiply this 5 with 7. So 7 5 ja 35 plus 25 के टेबल में 50 कब आता है? 2 पे. 25 2 ja 50. So 2 into 12 it will be 24. So 35 plus 24 it will be 59 by 50. So this is our answer and most of you have got the correct answer. Now let us see for subtraction. I will clear all these things from here. If you are doing any subtraction question in the rational number, you are again going to do the same thing. Subtraction में भी same करना है. Suppose you are given with 8 by take 15 minus you are given with 3 by 35. Okay, suppose you are given with this thing 8 by 15 minus 3 by 35. Now both the denominators are different, so you will take LCM. So LCM of 15 and 35. 15 35. So it will be 5 3 ja 15, then 5 7 ja 35, 3 1 ja 7 will remain same, then 7 1 ja. So 5 3 ja 15, 15 7 ja how much? It will be 105. So this is the LCM we are having for 15 and 35. So 105 we will take.
47 by 105.
15 के टेबल में 105 कितने पे आता है? 15 के टेबल में 105 7 पे आते हैं. 15 7 जा 105. So I will multiply this 7 with 8. 7 8 जा 56. Then 35 के टेबल में 105 कब आते हैं? It will be on 3. Okay, 35 के टेबल में 3 पे. So 3 को 3 से multiply करेंगे. We will multiply this 3 with this 3. So 3 3 जा 9. So 56 minus 9, how much we are getting? We are getting 47 by 100. 105. So this will be our answer, 47 by 105. You have to solve this one now. It is 21 by 18 minus 37 by 32. Okay, this is the question for you. Try to solve it. 21 by 18 minus 37 by 32. Try to solve this question. So let us move to the next topic. Multiplication. How we are going to do the multiplication of two rational numbers. Suppose we are given with 3 by 5 multiply 7 by 48 and we have to do the multiply. Now just see the simple thing. First thing, always check whether a numerator can cancel a denominator. Numerator और denominator cancel हो सकते हैं क्या? ये सबसे पहले चेक करना है. देखो यहाँ पे 3 न्यूमरेटर है, ये 5 को तो कैंसिल नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन क्या ये 3 जो है ये 48 को कैंसिल कर सकता है? यस. 3 1 जा देन 48, 3 1 जा 3 6 जा. देखो हमने क्या किया, 3 को कैंसिल किया, वहाँ पे 1 आ गया, 5 आ गया, मल्टीप्लाई 7 बाई 16. क्या अभी कुछ और कैंसिल हो सकता है? नो. सो नाउ वी विल डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई. 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 7 से. सो 7 1 जा 7. 16 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 5 से. सो 16 5 जा 80. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर, 7 by 80. नाउ
सर इसको
suppose one more example we are having 2 by 3 comma 9 by 15 or 16 comma multiply, then 4 by 27. Okay, now suppose this is the question we are having, we have to multiply. So first thing we will check cancel out. See, इस 2 से हम 3 को कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, बट इस 2 से हम 16 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 2 8 जा 16. सी आई एम कैंसलिंग आउट न्यूमरेटर विद द डेनोमिनेटर. ये चीज ध्यान रखना है. बहुत सारे बच्चे गलती कहाँ पे करते हैं, वो न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से कैंसिल करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं, वो 2 1 जा 2 और यहाँ पे 2 2 जा 4 ऐसे कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू कैंसिल आउट अ न्यूमरेटर विद अ डेनोमिनेटर. ये हमेशा याद रखना है कि कैंसिल आउट करते वक्त न्यूमरेटर को डेनोमिनेटर से करना है. सो आई हैव डन, सी 2 1 जा 2, देन 2 8 जा 16, देन 4 1 जा 4, then 4 2 जा 8, then 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, then 3 1 जा 3 9 जा. So above in the numerator cases I am left with only this one and this one. So 1 into 1 into 1, it will be 1. Then in the denominator I am left with 1 into 2, it is 2, 2 9 ja 18. So 1 by 18 is our answer. This is how you are going to do the multiplication. For multiplication there is a question for you. Just see this thing. I am writing here. The question is minus 4 by 5 multiply by 15 by 24 multiply minus 8 by 30. Okay, 30. Minus 8 by 30. So this is the question for you. Just try to solve it and write your answer in chat box. So when we are going to solve, I will take, see, 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24, then 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. Now just see one more thing. We are having two negative sign here. One negative sign is given in the starting, one negative sign is given here. So negative negative क्या बन जाता है, it is positive. जब माइनस माइनस होता है तो वो क्या बन जाता है, प्लस. सो आवर आंसर विल बी 2 by 15. दिस विल बी आवर करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सो देयर इज ए क्वेश्चन. आई एम राइटिंग हियर 3 by 12 minus 7 by 49 70 by 48. Okay, so this is the question. Just try to solve it. Okay, see now 3 1 ja 3 4 ja, then 7 1 ja 7 7 ja, then 2 2 ja 4, it will cancel on 35, then 7 1 ja 7 5 ja. So that means the answer is minus 5, because we are having one negative sign. So minus 5 and 48 into 2, it is 96. So it is correct answer. You all have got correct, minus 5 by 96. Now we will be talking about division. So how do we divide? डिवीजन कैसे करते हैं, डिवीजन ऑन रेशनल नंबर्स. सपोज यू आर गिवन विद माइनस 3 by 25 and you have to divide it with 36 by 15. Okay, minus 3 by 25 and you have to divide with 36 by 15. Just you need to do very simple thing. minus 3 by 25 you will take same. इसको चेंज नहीं करना है. जो फर्स्ट थिंग है ना, जो पहले आता है उसको चेंज नहीं करना है. नाउ यू विल सी द डिवीजन साइन, जस्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इसको मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज कर दो एंड टेक रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द सेकेंड थिंग. सी वी आर हैविंग टू थिंग्स. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन जिसको हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. वी आर हैविंग द सेकेंड थिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड, जिसको डिवाइड करेंगे, जिससे डिवाइड करेंगे, दिस इज द सेकेंड। तो फर्स्ट वाले को तो सेम रखना है, डिवाइड का साइन चेंज करना है मल्टीप्लाई में, एंड देन रेसिप्रोकल, रेसिप्रोकल मतलब होता है उल्टा। जब हम रेसिप्रोकल की बात करते हैं तो रेसिप्रोकल का क्या मतलब होता है, उल्टा। सो इट विल बी 15/36। नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू कैंसिल आउट। सी 3 1 जा 3 1 जा 3 2 जा, okay, then 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 20, sorry 3 5 ja 15, then 5 1 ja, then 5 5 ja, so it will be -1 by 5 4 ja 20. This is the answer we are getting. So just you need to remember, whenever you are dividing, first one you will take same, second one you will take reciprocal, and you will change the divide sign to multiplication. Multiplication तुम लोगों को अच्छे से आता है, so no problem. Okay, so there is a question I am giving you.
Sir,
I am giving you one question, just try to solve it and write your answers in chat box. The question for you is, if we are having a question minus 16 by 9 divided by 36 by 27. Okay, now what will be the answer? Just write the answer in chat box. So if we are given with minus 16 by 9, then we will change this divide sign to multiply. We will take the reciprocal, so it will be 27 by 36. This thing we have to do. Now we will try to cancel it out. Okay, so it will be 4 4 ja 16, 4 9 ja 36, then 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So we are getting our answer as -4 by 3, and it is correct. If you have got your answer as -4 by 3, it is correct. So next question for you, just try to solve. It is divide 36 by 5, divide it with 24. Okay, 36 by 5 is there, divide it with 24. This is the question. Try to solve and write your answer in chat box. So we are given with 36 by 5, then I will change this sign, then in the denominator I will take 1, so it will be 1 by 24. So 6 6 ja 36, 6 4 ja 24, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, then it is 3 by 5 2 ja 10. So 3 by 10 will be our answer. So we have got this answer, 3 by 10. So there is one more question for you. If you are given, solve 3 by 8 plus minus 6 by 5 minus 2 by take it as 4, take it as 6, okay 6, take it as 6, minus 2 by 6. Because this is the question given to you, 3 by 8 plus minus 6 by 5 minus 2 by 6. Okay, then you have to solve. Just try to solve it. I am giving you some time to solve, then you can see. Write your answers in chat box. Okay, let us try to solve it. मैं भी इसको solve करता हूँ so that you can match your answer. First we will open the bracket. हाँ, पहले brackets को open कर देते हैं. 3 by 8, then see, this is plus, this is minus, plus minus it will be minus 6 by 5, then this is minus, this is minus, so minus minus it will be plus, and you can cancel also if you want ना, you can cancel 2 1 जा 2 3 जा, जो same number है उसको cancel कर सकते हो by numerator and denominator. So it will be plus 1 by 3, sorry 1 by 3. Now we are having 8 5 and 3, so we will be taking LCM of 8 5 and 3. So it will be 2 4 ja 8, 5 and 3 will remain same, 2 2 ja 4, then 5 3 will remain same, 2 1 ja, then 5 3 will remain same, then 3 5 3 1 ja, then 5 1 ja, so it will be 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 5 ja 120. So we are getting our LCM as 120. LCM is 120. Now 8 के टेबल में 120 कब आते हैं? 8 के टेबल में 120 आएगा when we will be doing what? 8 1 ja, then 4 0 8 5 ja 15. 8 के टेबल में 120 आएगा 15 पे. 120 को 8 से डिवाइड करोगे ना तो 15 आएगा. सो 15 3 जा 45. देन 5 के टेबल में 120 कब आएगा? 120 को 5 से डिवाइड करके देखो. 5 2 जा 10, then 2 0 5 4 जा 20. सो इट विल बी ऑन 24. 5 के टेबल में 20 आएगा 24 पे. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस 24 बाय दिस 6. So 24 into 6, 6 4 ja 24, 2 carry, 6 2 ja 12 plus 2 14 plus 3 के टेबल में 120 कब आता है? 3 4 ja 40 पे. So we will do what? 40 multiply by this 1. So 40 into 1 it will be 40. Now this 45 and this 40 is of addition. ये 45 और 40 क्या है? Addition में. So I will rub this thing. It will be 45 plus 40, it will be how much? 85, then minus 144 upon 120. Now we will do subtraction. So 14 minus 5 it will be 9, then 13 minus 8 it will be 59, and minus 159 because 144 is greater upon 120. So this will be our answer, minus 59 upon 120.